Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix random restart. To fix random restart issues in Windows, you can try the following steps. First, you need to check for the overheating in your laptop. Ensure that your computer or your laptop is not overheating. Clean any dust built up from fans and vents and make sure they are working properly. Also, check for the updated drivers. Outdated or corrupt drivers can cause restart issues. Update your drivers from manufacturer's website by using Windows Update. But you could also try checking for your Windows update. What you have to do is go to the settings on the bottom, or you could also click on the search option over here and look out for the settings and click on that. And on the left corner, we could see the Windows update option, which is on the bottom. Click on that and see the Windows are updated or not. Or you could also disable automatic restart. You have to do is go to the control panel to go to the control panel, which is on the bottom search option, and look out for the control panel and click on that option, which is on the best match over here. And after that, on the system and security, you have to check up the updates as well over here. And this is it, guys. If the issue started recently, you can perform a system restore to a point before the problem occurred as well. And this is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.